So today we are going to see how to extract the internal volume as a solid. So there is no need after extract the facets to sew the body. Okay, so let's go. The first we extract the original geometry, change the color of the extracted geometry. Then go to the synchronous modeling, set the delete. First step to uncheck this preview box. In drop down, select the face and in filter, select the boss and pocket faces. Okay. Select the internal face. Visually check all the faces are selected. Now right click in the empty space and check this selection box. Go to the selection, drop down more and select all but selected. So see, after selecting all but selected, it deselects all the correctly selected objects and selects all other sub selected object. Okay, so let's see what happened after selecting all but selected. Okay, so you can easily see it deselect the internal all the surfaces. Okay, now click the OK. Okay. First, for better perspective, we are going to changing the color. And let's take cross section. So it is solid. Okay, so it is deleted all the external body. Just check the body, check all the internal faces are extracted. Okay, okay, but sometime what happen, some software not allow to use the synchronous modeling commands. So that's why what we do, we go to the conventional method. The conventional method is nothing but extract the internal faces first. Okay, then as a surface, the, then close the all the external open places. Okay, then by using sieve, we make the solid body. Okay, so both the methods are correct, but some company, some organization never allow to use synchronous modeling command. So that's why I show the another alternative method of extracted surface and sieve method, that is the dead face, by using dead face. Okay, thank you.